feel like they gonna race. Sheesh, let me in on this. He getting that turbo spooled up, bro.
It's my way of the highway, bitch, and I got an ice track. Since you know what the fuck going on here. 350 on the booth. Man, fuck man.
Bro, love doing this, bro.
Bro, I am not gonna lie to you. I'm surprised there wasn't a couple people following me up into this mug, bro. Hey, I done did a couple things, man. Bro. Bro, they was driving slow as hell, bro. Man, you know how county line in one lane road, right? Man, I'm over there at Hefner right there at the light, bro. I'm thinking it goes into 2 lanes to where you can keep straight and just get in front of somebody, but it's a turn only lane. So I was about to turn into it. I seen somebody coming up with a signal light on, so I'm like, let me get back behind her. Light turned green, bro. She taking her time on the takeoff. Bro, I skirt right back in front of her, bro. I swear she started following me. I turn right here on 122nd. I see her light come on. All right, boom, I'm going up the street. Man, this Honda, little Honda like SUV thing moving slow as hell.
Man,
so I know, bro.
Because I was doing the same thing, bro. I done got hooked twice, not today. Okay, so I had red light, but bro, I couldn't stop.
Hey, hey.
That's the thing, they just because they wanted to, bro.
No, that's how it is, bro.
They weren't even going yet.
I already know. I'm telling you, I cut this truck off, bro.
Truck with me too. Nigga has equipment in the back. So I'm like,
oh yeah.
Move. I get on.
Now he was hitting the horn.
A dude put up next to me and said, "I like how you drive, bro. You getting through there."
He said that.
Not the dude in the truck.
The other dude.
Yeah, bro. I like how you drive. You getting through there because they drive it slow. I'm like, oh, thank you.
I ain't never had that happen. That's funny as hell.
I'm trying to go home.
Man. Yeah, bro, I cut the truck off. I was about to keep going because I was like, man, he probably left by now. That's why I turned in so far over, like right there, bro. Bro, it was like a last minute stop. I saw my tires probably screeched a little bit.
Driving slow as heck, bro. Not in front of me,
Nah.
But when they do got to the light, say, bro, I like how you drive.
Bro, that would have been funny because I had never heard nobody say that.
I'm like, yeah, bro, they drive the light. I think the only one on the road.
Tripping. Y'all see how we sitting over here, man. Just out here in traffic and enjoying this little weather we got. It's kind of warm. It's been cold the past couple days, so that's what I've been on today. I had work earlier. How about you too? Bro, old school was trying to race me.
For real?
Old school. But I was feeling like it was probably quick, but I was like, man, that mud looked big and heavy, bro. It was a long mud, bro. Huh? Man, I'm about to throw my sweater on. I'm about to throw my sweater on.
You put that on yourself too?
Yeah, I went ahead and put that on. Wow, bro, gonna put the chicken grease fingerprint on there.
Serious, bro?
No.
Go get a wing and don't know how to add. Man. Popping off the thing as I just boom with the boom.
Yeah, and usually I had the sunroof, you know, like with the tilt, you know what I'm saying? But I had it back today. I was hoping to find some baddies in traffic, bro. Really, that's why I was on the west. I was really looking for me a Latina, for real. Yeah, bro, I was trying to find me a little Latina in traffic or something. Oh yeah, it'd make it a little pop, like a little more sporty or whatever.
It really does. You put it on yourself too, see, bro?
Yeah, went ahead, just slapped it on there.
Right.
Yep. I thought I messed up at first, but I was able to. Appreciate
spray
it.
this thing off and then we can drive around.
Bet.
I was gonna snap you so you can really go get your phone.
I think it's in my car. I think I left it in my back seat one day. No, I don't. I forgot it. Yep.
And it's a big wing too. Oh yeah, but you ain't got the do-rag, huh?
I got the hat. I had it on last time. Ooh, you look so clean, baby. I love you.
Let me spray him off real quick, bro, and then I don't mind.
All right, let me move out the way real quick.
Let me spray my car off, I don't mind.
Oh, so you all right? So you done? You about to spray one more time?
No, I just gotta spray this thing out.
Hey, bro, don't hit my car, bro. I just washed it the other day, bro. I know. Don't spray my car, bro.
No, I'm spraying this thing.
Okay, bro, put the fresh washing on here, man. Y'all know it's a real wash if you see him. Like, y'all know when I first walked up, he was really wiping the wheels down. It was a real wash done to this car, bro. Little Camaro thing, bro. Cooped up in his like red seats.
What I say?
Hey, man, I said let me rinse the car off first.
No, it's decent. No, it ain't nothing crazy.
Nah, bro, I was telling him it was a real wash if I pull up and I see you really wiping down the wheels.
I waited to do that, but I was like, it's taking a little longer. I was like, I just waited.
My hard, man. Miss mine sometimes, man.
How much money did they take from me? I think $1.
Yeah, I don't think they take that much. I'm gonna catch you on a second. I'm about to throw this hoodie on. I might. Yeah. And traffic with it. Long live the greatest. See it, bro, go crazy. Yeah, catch y'all in a second.
Free my niggas, I might cry when this shit finish. Too cold, I might die when this shit finish. Why you do that? Why you lie? You a bitch, nigga. Me, Jack. I had to do this without bitch. It's 2020, and I got out for my birthday, and I'm finna fuck all you niggas, bitches. But yeah.
I feel like they gonna race. Someone told me to put this one. Sheesh, let me in on this. Let me in on this. He getting that turbo spooled up, bro. He getting that turbo ready, bruh. Hey, he got a hey, be ready, bruh. Hey, he about to gas it, bro. Be ready. Get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Yes, sir, skis. Ugh. Let me get over. I'm gonna let him get back in front of me. I can't with a hunt Diddy. Bro, my hand been shaky as hell. That shit been pissing me off, bro. Y'all don't know how mad I be editing these videos and it be looking shaky. We got us a little race with the little truck or whatever. That must sound good. Hey, them big ass turbo trucks, bro, be moving if they got them tuned up right and all that. They must be moving. Nice. Yeah, I just turned it off for that little altercation right there. I knew it was about to be lit. We downtown with it though. Me. I don't know. Sometimes I be trying to edit out your tag because I don't be knowing what you feel like. But if this is really a problem, bro, don't even worry about it with mine, because
No,
I'm already knowing that. Editing with that shit right there. Nah, like trying to cover up the license plate.
Oh yeah, no, I don't even mean. No,
Yeah.
I cut it out.
Bro, like if it's a good clip, go ahead, keep it. I ain't tripping. You know what I'm saying?
That's like crazy. I'm walking in the side. Don't trip.
Bro, it's all up in the footage.
I'm walking all in the side. I don't know why I'm probably getting ready.
Bro, my damn hands been like, I don't know if it's my hands or what. My hands been shaky when I've been recording. Maybe I need to start using my left hand and taking my time more. That's what it is. I just gotta take my time. Told her, baby, it's my way or the highway. Bro, that my way or the highway by Draco. You probably have, but that one tough. It's a whole bunch. I just gotta say, I'm about to just send you my Draco the Ruler playlist, really. I might do a PLV drive, listen to Draco the Ruler. That might do it. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. I know I always say I'm gonna catch y'all at the end of my clips. But I'm gonna just catch y'all, man. Sometimes this,
Oh, no, you still in there. I'm tripping.
Nah, cause I was just about to say, like, sometimes this could be the end of the video, but I wouldn't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna turn it on again. Catch y'all in the next one. Outro. I be wanting to say my outro. I'm gonna just catch y'all in the next clip.